To improve screen responsiveness with touch sensitivity feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first you have to enable the touch sensitivity option. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on off switch next to touch sensitivity until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, it will increase the screen responsiveness to lighter touches. This especially is useful to improve touch accuracy and responsiveness, as well as making interaction smoother when you are using a screen protector for your phone or when you are wearing gloves while using your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.